On Thursday, that's about 48 hours from now, a letter stating what is the position of the Attorney General and the Department of Justice in regard to the recent statements by the President, stating specifically and in detail in reference to those statements what the authority is of the federal courts in this regard in terms of judicial review. That letter needs to be at least 3 pages, single-spaced, no less, and it needs to be specific.
He absolutely has the right to do that. Judge Smith of the Fifth Circuit, which is located in New Orleans, has the right in that specific case in which physician-owned hospitals are bringing an action against the Obama administration based on Obamacare to say to the federal government, what's your position on this? The president says that the federal judiciary, unelected group of people, the Supreme Court down, doesn't have the right to strike down an unconstitutional statute in this country. And so, Attorney General Representative, what do you say? Let's hear from Eric Holder. Give me a 3-page brief on it. That's absolutely within the power of the Circuit Court of Appeals. Now,
when the president's told by a 5th District Appeals Court judge to go write up a 2-page, single-spaced letter in explanation, what is that really saying? It is saying, understand that we matter as a judicial branch, or is it telling the president, get back in your place? What is going on here?
Oh, I think that there's an absolute right. And again, we're going to see a lot of spin on this today, and there'll be a question, will the United States government comply? I think the United States government has to comply with the lawful order of the court to say, give me a briefing on this particular issue. It seems to be the government's position through the President of the United States that an unelected body of officials, known as federal court judges, known as United States Supreme Court judges, don't have the authority to overturn a democratically elected statute.
Right. And for the president to say it would be unprecedented for them to overturn it, the Supreme Court has overturned laws 150 times, and the president of the United States has taught that. He knows it.
And it's not the role of the president to, in effect, subvert the role of the judiciary in the United States of America.
Oops.
The point I was making is that the Supreme Court is the final say on our Constitution and our laws, and all of us have to respect it. But it's precisely because of that extraordinary power that the court has traditionally exercised significant restraint and deference to our duly elected legislature, our Congress,